See, this question is the best example of De Moivre's theorem to apply and get the things. You can do without De Moivre's theorem also if you try to convert this into the perfect square, right? But I will suggest such kind of question whenever the image complex number involved, always use the De Moivre's theorem. So what the De Moivre's theorem says that ki z power n or 1 by n, suppose z equal to mod z into cos theta plus I sin theta, right? So z power 1 by n means nth root, n number of roots you have to get it. That will be equal to mod z power 1 by n, and here it will become cos 2k pi plus theta by n plus I sin 2k pi plus theta by n. Yes, this is what the De Moivre's theorem we know, and the k value is an integer value, and it's a 0 to 1, 2 till n minus 1. This is the way we used to calculate the nth root of any complex number. Be clear, nth root means we are talking about the roots of this, something z naught. So that will go other side, so it will become 1 by n. So we are talking about the roots of this. It's a very important, so many time question used to come, and very quickly you can do if you use this logic properly. Now if you notice carefully, this is your z and this is your z bar. Yes or no? So z equal to, we are getting as 3 plus root, this we can split it, and 54 as the 5 into 9, sorry 6 into 9, 3 will come out, so that will become 6 root 6i. Yes, this is the what the z, am I right? So this is the z power 1 by 2, this is the z bar power 1 by 2. Okay? So I am assuming कि let z equal to mod z into cos theta plus I sin theta. Right? We know everything. Mod z we know, cos theta to sin theta also we can know. So right now I am not writing unnecessary, it will become complicated. Let's do general way so that ki general form you can understand. So here we are trying to calculate z power 1 by 2. So z power 1 by 2 will be what? Mod z power 1 by 2 into cos 2k pi plus theta by 2 plus I sin 2k pi plus theta by 2. And z bar to the power 1 by 2 will be what? Mod z power 1 by 2. Because z bar and mod z bar and mod z both are same thing. Both are same thing. So we can use the same logic. So we'll get cos 2k pi plus theta by 2 minus I sin 2k pi plus theta by 2. Yes, this is the z bar. Z bar means what? Replace I by minus I, nothing else. I hope understood everybody. Now z bar minus z bar. Z power 1 by 2 minus z bar power 1 by 2 will be what? If you subtract it directly, I am doing mod z power 1 by 2. And if you think this is going to subtract, what will happen? It will come as a 2i sin 2k pi plus theta by 2. This is what is going to come. Now k different value you have to put, and that's get the answer. If I put k equal to 0, it's a sin theta by 2. K equal to 1, so it will become sin pi plus theta by 2. Means this value will be, if k equal to 0, you are going to put k equal to 0, so it will become what? I am writing it here, watch carefully. Space is less. Sin, actually what is this? Sin k pi plus theta by 2. Yes or no? If you put k equal to 0, it will become sin theta by 2. But if you put k equal to 1, it will become sin pi plus theta by 2. Sin pi plus theta by 2 will become what? That will become minus sin theta by 2. Means this value is, this total value is the plus minus sin theta by 2. Plus minus sin theta. So z power 1 by 2 minus z bar power 1 by 2 will be equal to mod z power 1 by 2 plus minus. I should write it plus minus. Plus minus mod z power 1 by 2 into 2 sin theta by 2 into I. So imaginary part is this only. So we have to calculate this value. Question is over. First thing, what is the mod z? If I'm not calculating everything, mod z will be what? Root of 9 plus 36 into 6 to 116. So into 16 plus 9 to 25 means it will be 15. Right? Mod z will be 15. So this value is the 15. Sin theta by 2, how to calculate? By tan theta by 2 will be, if this is the complex number, imagine this is the complex number. So tan theta, remember, argument will be 6 root 6 by 3, means 2 root 6. So what you can do, you can take a triangle. This is not triangle. A triangle, and this is your theta, this is your 2 root 6, and this is your 1, so this will be 5. So cos theta will be equal to 1 by 5. So sin theta by 2 is nothing but root of 1 minus cos theta, means 1 by 5 by 2. So this is going to come as a root of 2 by 5. Put it here. So z power 1 by 2 minus z bar power 1 by 2 equal to plus minus. This value become your 2, let it be like this. And mod z is the mod z 15. So root 15 into sin theta by 2 means root of 2 by root 5. This is the root 15 means root 5 into root 3. So root 5 will get cancelled. So this is going to come plus minus 2 root 6. Means imaginary part of this is the plus minus 2 root 6. Basically this value is equal to plus minus 2 root 6 I. So they are saying plus minus 2 root 6. So option will be B. Have you understand? Notice carefully, if you will not use this logic, directly if you do sin theta by 2, you will not get minus 2 root 6. That's what they wanted to check, that are you using this logic or not. Have you understand? Simple application of De Moivre's theorem, trigonometry, because tan theta is known, so can you calculate sin theta by 2 or not? This is a pure application of this. It's one of the good question. I'm just making it a small so that the complete solution you can see. Right?